Hi there, friends and family. I'm back with another video. This video is all about how I make my kale salad and how I am planning to meal prep for the next few days. So I'm going to turn the video around so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. I've already pre-washed my kale and I have it here in my large salad bowl. I'm trying to fix the video there. See if I can get it perfect. Okay. Bear with me. I promise you it's going to be a great video. Okay, so I've got my pre-washed kale, and what I've done is taken a paper towel and absorbed the excess water from the kale. You want to make sure that you always rinse and wash, even though the bag says it's already pre-washed. And I am using the Walmart brand of organic kale. And I found it on sale. It was $2. It was just $2 for this bag. It's normally about $4 for the bag. So this was an awesome savings. I actually bought 2 bags. And usually they'll do that when it's about to expire. So this has a date of February 16th. So that's fine because I plan to consume this in the next couple of days. So it's gonna work out just perfect. So I have my kale, and I'm going to move this to the side here. And then I've got a bowl of veggies, fruit and veggies. I'm going to cut up some mango to put in the bowl. I am going to cut up some peppers, some sweet peppers. Then I'm going to show you how I make my avocado dressing to put on top of my salad that will be oil-free. That's one of the recipes that I use to make an oil-free dressing. And then I have a couple of cucumbers here. And so everything has already been pre-scrubbed and washed and just ready for cutting. I am also using Wild Wonders. I love these rainbow tomatoes. These make a great salad. They make a great snack. So I'm going to show you how I slice these and make an avocado. I'm sorry, not an avocado, a cucumber and tomato salad for a snack. And I also have half of a red onion that I'm going to be using in my kale salad. I usually put chopped cabbage, raw cabbage in my kale salad, but unfortunately I ran out of cabbage and I forgot to pick some up at the store yesterday. So I'm going to go ahead and put these ingredients together, and then I'm going to come back and show you what they look like. Okay, so I have finished chopping my veggies. Well, most of my veggies. I've chopped about a half of a red onion and about half of a sweet pepper. And this is about 1.5 cucumbers. And I like my cucumbers a little bit chopped, other than round, as opposed to round, rather. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and add these to my salad bowl. Got my salad bowl right next to me here, and I've got this handy tool that I've seen a lot of people use, and so I found it at Walmart. I think it was like $3, made out of metal, and you can also use it to chop your veggies. It is a chopper, so I love this for that particular reason as well, and I love that it scoops perfectly. So I can scoop large amounts of veggies, look at that, and just add them to... I think I dropped something on the floor. It's okay. Get it later. Just going to add these to my bowl. I'm going to show you what my bowl looks like now. So this is what my big bowl of veggies look like. And I've got my... Doesn't that look beautiful? I mean, it's gorgeous. It smells great. And I've got onion mixed in here. Everything just all mixed up. And I'm just going to take my hands and I'm going to go ahead and mix it. Yes, there are tools that do this. I do have my wooden spoons that will do this quite nicely. But I like doing this like this. I like doing it with my hands. So I just wanted to get everything all mixed up in there so that it's mixed around good. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my containers. So I have a few of these large containers. And I'm going to make sure I put enough. Some of these have dropped out. I'm going to put enough salad and fixings inside the bowl. So I'm going to make sure I grab a handful and Make sure there's lots of veggies with it. Lots of chopped veggies, cucumbers, onion. And basically here is 1 serving of salad. These are glass containers that I ordered from Amazon. They were a set of, I think, 18 came in the set. And they were $25 for the entire set. So it's actually perfect. These can be used in the microwave. They are dishwasher safe, and they are also safe to reheat up to 400 degrees in your oven. And so that was one of the important features for buying these glass containers. And so I'm just going to take my largest containers and use them to store my salad in. And I try to have a salad with just about every meal. I'm eating a salad, some sort of side salad, or sometimes a salad is the focus of my meal. Sometimes it's all that I have for a meal. Like for breakfast this morning, basically this is what I had for breakfast because I'm eating raw 2 meals. So salads are important. So I figured it wouldn't be harmful to go ahead and make my salads in advance because this will last me probably the rest of this day and early tomorrow. So this was enough to make about 3 big servings of salad here. And again, I'm using my hand. It's okay. My hands are clean. And I'm just filling my bowls up. As you can see, I've got a lot of really good veggies here. And this is going to be the end because that is it. So I'm just going to stuff this as much as possible just to get the rest of these inside. And that was enough to make 3 servings, 3 different servings of salad. So I'm going to see if I can squeeze this top on. Uh-oh. Let's see, maybe I stuffed it too much. Let's try it again. Okay, I think we got it. It's good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and then I'm going to come back